That's awesome. Okay, in this episode of Average Joe Cars, we're gonna go down to Mexico. We're gonna make a couple quick hits in the Stage 1 Sheepy Race Twin Turbo R8, just to show you guys, you know, what you can expect out of a car like this on the street. Now, keep in mind, we're in Arizona, and the air is shit. Traction is limited to an unprepped surface. The DA for this run is, I think, 32 or 3,600 feet. It'll show on the dragy video when I run it. But obviously, this is we pre-recorded the dragy run, and so you'll see it. But if you like this kind of content, we're not a fancy channel. Just hit the subscribe thing, the jig, and the bell thing, and get notified whenever we do something new. Let us know in comments what you want to see me do in this car, because I don't really care. You know, it's I'm an average guy. I got an average type of lifestyle. I have a cool car. You guys want to see me do crazy stuff in it? No, I'm not going to generally the thing over a river or anything like that. But if you want to see 0 to 60 runs, quarter-mile runs, 60 to 130, stuff like that, just let me know, and I'll shoot it. Let you guys enjoy it, and we'll go from there. Thanks everybody for watching. Tell me what you think down below. Take care.